In this video, I'll discuss MEXC and its trading fees, how you can permanently reduce your transaction fees by 20%. The standard fee is 0.1%, and for futures there's no loss fee. It's just 0.02%. If you trade 1 million in volume, you'll lose $200 to these transaction fees. However, if you register using the link below or apply the 20KTB code, you'll receive a 20% rebate on these fees. After that, the support fee is only 0.08%. For futures, it remains at 0%, just 0.016%. That means you'll save $40 if your volume doesn't reach 1 million. Right here in the image you'll also see, click the link and it will confirm that the transaction fees are discounted by 20% for sports, 20% for futures, and so forth. MEXC fees, if you're interested in other exchanges like OKX, here, Binance, Goodcoin, BX or Coinet, Getio, Bitget, Depcoin, XT, Bitmax, just click the link below this video. I've got it ready for you here. For instance, this ZanBX is X and the highest fee is 40%, and the interface is also easy to use. Well, the coin is down 35%, Binance is 20%, OKX 20%, and the coin is 22.5%, and with up to 40% get IOC. Grab 20% here and there, Bitgate 20%, Dipcoin 20%, XT 30%, Bitmax is 30%. Then if any of these exchanges you love aren't available there, you can contact us via email, Telegram or Facebook, so I can send you a link. If you register, you will get the fee refunded. And now I will show you the fee. X minis is future, this is 0.02, Merca 0.05 is Tucker. This 1 million volume will cost $200, this is $500. Remember to refund the fee. I will refund this $200. Grab 20% here and there, Bitgate 20%, Dipcoin 20%, XT 30%, Bitmax is 30%. If you love any exchange not listed above, reach out through email, Telegram or Facebook so I can send you a link. If you sign up, your fee will be refunded. I'll show you the fee for X Minis Future now. It's 0.02, Merca is 0.05 for Tucker. Dealing with 1 million volume will cost you $200, altogether $500, and remember to claim your fee refund. I will return $200 of it to you. While the actual loss was $80, it will always be refunded in real currency. Then this coin here is 0.02% for Maker, 0.06 for Tucker. There. The loss is just 130 if you're dealing with $1 million of volume, which is $1 million of volume. It won't be 390. This 390 will get through numerous times. Guys, don't just look at the transaction fee. Although it seems low, with a large volume the cost can be significant, especially on Binance if you want.